Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to import contacts from Gmail to iPhone. To import contacts from Gmail to iPhone, open up the web browser. After opening the web browser, tap on the search bar. Then, search for Contacts Google in here. Now, click to open up Google Contacts from here. It will take you to your Google Contacts file. You can see the contacts that you added to your Google account. Then, tap on your profile icon from the top right corner. Now, tap to manage your Google account from here. After that, you need to open up the settings of your phone. Then, scroll down in settings and tap on the passwords option from here. Now, you can see all the passwords in here. Also, you can see the password options from here. Then, you will see passwords and passkeys from different platforms. Now, go into Security Recommendations. You will find your recommended or most used app's password. Here, you need to tap on the Add icon from the top right corner. After that, tap to add a new password from here. You can add a new website and its password here. Once you find the password of your Gmail account, after that, go back to your Google Contacts. Now, tap the three dots from here to change column order and display density. Then, tap on the share icon to export the contacts. After that, select the card for iOS contacts option and tap to export. Now your Google Contacts will be imported to your iPhone. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.